hot and dry day, and you know what that means, Kristen.
Yep, fire danger going up. I know I sound like a broken record talking about
Yeah,
it, but it's just so important
so
to remember.
true.
Yeah.
You know, especially when we're in this drought, the drought that we're in right now, it just adds to it. And today, especially dry in the air, and the winds are picking up too, and that just makes it even worse. The red flag warning is in effect for northern New Mexico, central New Mexico too. That includes Albuquerque and then east of the Sacramento Mountains down toward the Guadalupe Mountains there. And then fire weather watch is highlighted in this tannish yellowish kind of color. That's for tomorrow mainly, as we're going to see things dry out even more in the southeast. A little bit of leftover moisture in that area, and so that'll help things out today, but we are going to dry things out. And again, the winds start to pick up today. It will be downright windy up in the northeastern part of the state, and for everyone else, pretty breezy later on this afternoon. 20 to 30 mile an hour winds to the northeast, so this is where we'll see the strongest winds. And then across eastern, southeastern New Mexico, 15 to 25 miles an hour, and then 10 to 15 miles an hour out to the west. So just a little bit of a light breeze there, but when it's so dry and so warm, that still means very high fire danger and fires that could spread quickly and be very tough to get out. Temperature-wise out there right now, feeling pretty nice in the mid-50s in Santa Fe, 61 in Albuquerque, low 60s in the southeast, and in the 30s and 40s up in the Four Corners. Most of us well above the freezing mark, with the exception of a couple of mountain spots. Alamosa starting off at 28. So get out and enjoy it right now, because it is going to get a lot hotter this afternoon. For your Memorial Day, looking at a few more clouds around, high clouds, not any clouds to bring us any rain, but some that will shelter us a bit from the sun, and only a bit from the sun, so don't forget that sunscreen. Fire danger will persist through tomorrow, as the winds will continue to pick up tomorrow. Winds will be even stronger than what we'll see today, and the dry conditions are going to stick around, and it'll be just as hot tomorrow afternoon too. So that not going anywhere, but as we go towards Wednesday, things looking a little bit better for us as far as the temperatures go. We are going to see those temps take a dip, in fact back to the 70s for highs here in Albuquerque, and we're going to get a little more moisture in too across northern New Mexico and up in the Four Corners, so that'll help a bit with the fire danger. The winds, though, not getting too much of a break with the system passing by to the north that usually generates a whole lot of wind across areas south of the storm, and so that's what we're going to see Wednesday. And then after that, we'll finally get a break from the wind. Temperature-wise, we only get a brief break. We'll see those numbers go right back up again starting Thursday. Your 7-day forecast for southern Colorado, mid-70s today and tomorrow, and then back to the 60s for highs Wednesday, Thursday, with a chance for a few showers and storms. Farmington will get that chance for a shower or storm too Wednesday, Thursday, but otherwise staying mainly dry and very warm. Down in the southwest, mostly sunny skies with highs in the mid-90s for most of us, 88 in Silver City, and then maybe a storm or two to talk about Wednesday. Over in the southeast, Roswell, a very hot day, 100 degrees for you this afternoon, 97 tomorrow, and then a slight chance for a storm Wednesday. After that, mainly dry and getting hot again. We'll be back to the upper 80s Wednesday, but 90s return Thursday. Northeast New Mexico, windy today and tomorrow, with highs in the low 80s for Las Vegas, warmer down toward Santa Rosa and Tucumcari. Maybe a storm or two to talk about by Wednesday as that next system heads our way, and that'll bring in definitely a few spotty storms for our northern mountains Wednesday. But today and tomorrow, just dealing with the dry conditions. Santa Fe, we'll see a few more clouds, but we'll stay dry. 76 the high today, a little breezy at times, and then Wednesday, maybe a shower or pop-up thunderstorm for Santa Fe. East Mountains breezy today, 10 to 20 mile an hour winds, so nothing major, but you'll notice the breeze, highs in the low 80s, very warm. And for the metro area, very warm here too, with highs in the mid to upper 80s, 10 to 20 mile an hour winds, so just a little breezy at times. Fire danger the main concern for us today and tomorrow. Wednesday 77, a little cooler with a few more clouds around, and then after that back to the mid 80s for highs. And this week we're going to have a stretch of very dry weather for Albuquerque. The only spots really favored for any thunderstorm activity will be up across the northern part of the state. But on the good side of things, great pool weather for today, right?
There you go.
Yeah.